it's Nicole with Sleepopolis, and today I'll be talking about lucid dreaming, a topic that's taken social media by storm. In short, lucid dreams are a type of dreams where people are actually aware they're dreaming. And what's even cooler, in some situations, the dreamer can actually control the narrative of their dream. So if you always wanted to fly, meet your favorite celebrity, or something equally as awesome, then it sounds like lucid dreaming may be your best bet. And if you want to know if you lucid dreamed before, then you should look for the following signs. 1, you know you're dreaming. 2, you understand what that means, that everything you're seeing is just an illusion. And 3, you can use your brain somewhat like you can when you're awake, meaning you can still critically think and process what's happening around you in your dream. Are you ready to try lucid dreaming for yourself? Well, if so, we got you covered. We've consulted with the experts who gave us the best tips for lucid dreaming. This one might be surprising, but one of the best things you can do on your quest to lucid dreaming is to get a good night's sleep. For adults, that's typically going to be between 7 and 9 hours at night. That's because you get the most REM sleep toward the end of the night, and that's when you have your most vivid, memorable dreams. Next up is keeping a dream journal. It can help you remember your dreams and also become more familiar with the personality of your dreams. The more easily you can hone in on things that signal to your mind that you're dreaming, the easier it may be to eventually lucid dream. Finally, some experts recommend learning to question your state and testing accordingly. If you can build the habit of asking yourself whether or not you're dreaming, you're more likely to be able to notice the difference between your sleep and wake states, and thus more likely to find yourself in that lucid dreaming state. If you think you're in a dream but don't know how to be sure, you can try a simple reality test, like breathing through a pinched nose, and if you can pull that off, you are likely dreaming and can get to creating those dreamscapes of your, dreams. Remember though, this can take some time. It takes some people months to lucid dream, and lucid dreaming doesn't automatically mean dream control, so don't give up hope if you don't see your desired results immediately after giving these steps a whirl. And that is everything we have about lucid dreaming for today. If you want to learn more about dreams or get any other sleep health content, go ahead, click the link in the description below, or you can head over to sleepopolis.com. Thank you so much for joining me. Before you go, hit that subscribe button to see more sleep health content here in the future, and I'll see you here next time.